welcome back to our channel. Today we got our first homestead project up and underway, and honestly I thought it was going to be a chicken coop, but then I saw this sweet face at a local rescue farm and knew that he would be the perfect first addition for our homestead. He is a Great Pyrenees lab mix, so he will be the perfect guardian for our livestock and our chickens. Everybody meet Quill. While we do have 6.5 acres for Quill to roam around and run and play and be free, we also want him to be safe when we're not outside. So Tommy had the brilliant idea to build him a temporary shelter underneath our back porch because it's so high off the ground. So he built a dog house, enclosed it, built a floor so he's completely safe when we're not outside with him.
I can go get the pencil sharpener if you need.
This is how my pop, who was a carpenter before he passed away, sharpened the pencil whenever he worked.
The ball better.
I'm gonna give him his kibbles.
No, leave his food over there, please.
You wanna know what would be neat for his food and water bowl? If we had a thing where you can pour the dog food through here and it would land in his bowl, and a thing for the water. Wouldn't that be neat?
Pretty good idea.
I'm still
Yeah,
in
so
the
we wouldn't have to go in his cage and get food in there.
Gavin.
We could just go to the tubes and pour them in there.
Thanks.
Well, this is just for while he's little. When he gets bigger, we're gonna fence in a big area of the yard for him.
You want it?
This is just while he's little to protect him.